In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bend a line here in Canva. Now, first of all, we're going to need a line. Now, the quickest way to get this up on the canvas is by clicking L on the keyboard. So if I do that, we now have a line. Now, another way to find lines is come over to elements just here and then come to the search elements and type in line. Then if we click enter, we want to come to shapes just here and we can choose one of these that we can actually curve. Now from here, what we want to do is click onto the line. Then we're going to come up to the toolbar just here and we're going to click on this one where it says line type. Now if we click on there, we have a few different options. Now for this example, we're going to click on curved and then we have a curved line. But we can actually play around with this to make the curve even more. Now what we want to do is click one of these little white dots. So if we click on this end one, hold it down, we can actually move this around and make it longer. Now if we click onto the middle one, we can play around with this to make the curve more curved or less curved. So let's put it like that, and then let's bring this one in as well, just like that. Now we can also play around with the thickness of this. So if we click onto these three lines where it says stroke style, we can then use the stroke weight and we can make it thicker or thinner. We can also make it dashed as well, just like this, and even round those corners. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to bend a line here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you want more Canva tutorials, then click right here and watch this playlist.